Hey friends, this is TFUEL and welcome to the new update on TFUEL. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that TFUEL has recently broken down the support of an up channel on a daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakdown from this up channel, the price then broke down this very long-term support of 8 cents and bounced from the next support of 6.7 cents. But again, it is dropped down at this support and trying to break it down. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 6.7 cents is a quite long-term support because previously it has been breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And before that, it has been breaking as a support here for several weeks, a month, and here as a resistance, and here as a resistance for several months. And therefore, again, it is breaking as a very, very strong support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at this very, very huge and massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TFUEL that I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 17% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TFUEL that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of December 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardly pattern that TFUEL completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was almost 17% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TFUEL. And this is the daily, and this is the weekly. First of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside the sub channel since after the month of November. Since the first week of November 2024, it was moving inside the channel. We got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection. So many touch points here, and finally we broke down the support of the channel. The technical target for this breakdown is, by the way, here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 5 cents. And so far, the price end has dropped here up to 6.3433 cents. And now it is trying to break down this long-term support of 6.7 cents. Previously, we broke down this long-term support of 8 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this support will be more visible. And you can see that this 8 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it has been breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And now, if the price then moves up from here, then again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And right now, we are breaking down this next support of 6.7 cents that was previously breaking as this resistance here for several weeks. And before that, it was breaking as a support here and almost as a resistance here. And if we move more back, then here you can see that it was breaking other resistance and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. However, on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we are exactly moving at this support. And if this daily candlestick will be closed below this support, then the pricing can drop down to the next support here at 5 cents. That is also the target for the breakdown from this up channel. Now, on the same daily time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this down channel as well. And after some price correction, I'm expecting that soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this channel. The technical target for this breakout is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 13 cents. And by the way, from 12 to 15 cents, we have a very long-term resistance zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and here you can see that this resistance zone that starts from 12 cents and goes to 15 cents has been previously breaking at the resistance zone here for several weeks. And before that, it has been working as support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here. And therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of TFUEL. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the trend is getting reversed from the downside to the upside. And the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the way. That is approximately at 70 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.